Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best electric horn is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial safety devices for any vehicle, providing an immediate and unmistakable warning that can prevent accidents and ensure your presence is known, whether you're navigating busy city streets or signaling on open roads, making it an essential upgrade for enhanced road safety and peace of mind. Number 5. FIAMM 72112 Freeway Blaster Low Note Horn. Introducing the FIAMM 72112 Freeway Blaster Low Note Horn. It delivers a distinct, powerful low note to ensure you're heard on the road. This horn boasts an aluminum coil motor, corrosion-resistant steel housing, and an ABS plastic projector. These components ensure its longevity and reliable performance. You'll find everything needed for installation right in the box. It includes a universal mounting bracket, jumper wire, nut, and female connectors. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee maximum performance. It consistently exceeds both SAE and OEM specifications, ensuring top-tier quality. This horn is designed for easy installation on a wide range of vehicles, including UTVs, ATVs, and motorcycles. It's also proven to offer outstanding resistance to wear and tear, making it a reliable choice. Operating at 12 volts with a maximum 6 amp draw, it produces an impressive 133 decibels at 4 inches. This two-terminal horn ensures a loud and clear signal. What we like. This horn delivers a powerful 133 decibels, ensuring you're heard on the road. Its robust, corrosion-resistant design guarantees long-lasting performance in any condition. If you need a reliable, high-performance horn that stands up to wear and tear, this is an excellent choice for your vehicle or motorcycle. What people say. Number 4. 120 dB Rechargeable Electric Bike Horn. This compact electric horn delivers a powerful 120 dB sound. It ensures your presence is known to pedestrians and vehicles, enhancing your safety on every ride. Forget disposable batteries, this device features a convenient rechargeable battery. A single charge provides power for up to 2,000 uses, lasting 20 to 30 days. Designed for durability, it boasts IP65 waterproof, anti-dust, and shatter-resistant protection. This ensures it can withstand all your outdoor cycling adventures. Installation is a breeze with its stretchable straps, requiring no tools. You can attach or remove it from your handlebar in under 20 seconds. Its innovative separate switch design allows you to position the control right by your thumb. This lets you activate it without moving your hand from the handlebars, ensuring safer cycling. What we like. This compact horn boasts a loud 120 dB volume, perfect for urban cycling. It features a convenient rechargeable battery and is fully waterproof for all weather use. If you're a daily commuter or mountain biker looking for a durable, eco-friendly, and easy-to-install safety accessory, this is designed for you. What people say. The horn delivers a loud and clear sound, ensuring safety on the road. Its compact design allows for easy installation on various vehicle types. Number 3. SandShark Premium Air Horn Handheld Canister. This essential device is a must-have for any safety kit. It's Coast Guard approved and perfect for emergencies, whether you're on a boat, hiking, or at a sporting event. Its compact size makes it incredibly portable. You can easily carry it in your pocket or on any watercraft, ensuring you're always prepared for an emergency. Don't let its small size fool you, this device delivers a powerful alarm signal. It meets U.S. Coast Guard requirements for boats up to 65 feet, ensuring you're heard when it matters most. Operating it is incredibly simple and foolproof. Just screw it on and press the button, there's no need for tilting or shaking, making it reliable in any situation. For all your boating and personal watercraft safety needs, trust SandShark. This product, like their other professional accessories, ensures you have reliable equipment for peace of mind. What we like. This handheld air horn is Coast Guard approved, making it an essential safety item for any boat. Its compact size allows for easy portability, fitting right in your pocket. If you need a reliable, easy-to-use emergency signal for boating, hiking, or sporting events, this provides a powerful, mile-wide alarm. What people say. Number 2. HK12V 150 dB Air Train Horn Kit. This horn features an upgraded interior structure, capable of producing a powerful 150 dB tone. It ensures a pleasing sound in any weather, making it an excellent safety companion for your journeys. Its upgraded air compressor boasts a bigger coil and high-quality chrome-plated zinc alloy. This design delivers stronger air pressure, resulting in a louder and clearer warning for other drivers. Built with a chrome-plated zinc trumpet and an all-copper coil, it offers exceptional durability. Both the metal trumpet and compressor are weather-resistant, ensuring long-term reliable service. This kit is designed to work with any 12-volt DC power vehicle. It fits most cars, trucks, SUVs, and boats, and comes with a universal mount for easy installation. Your purchase comes with complete peace of mind. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime technical support for any questions you may have. What we like. This train horn kit delivers an astounding 150 dB, ensuring maximum attention on the road. It comes with an upgraded air compressor and durable, weather-resistant components for long-term use. If you drive a truck, SUV, or boat and want an incredibly loud and robust warning signal, this kit offers superior performance and durability. What people say. Number 1. Vixen Horns VXH2112MR, W Marine Electric Train Horn. Need to be heard on the water. This dual trumpet horn delivers a super loud, rich, and deep tone. Its combined frequencies ensure you'll immediately catch everyone's attention, making sure others are aware of your presence. Crafted from 304 non-magnetic stainless steel, it offers maximum protection against corrosion. This makes it ideal for marine applications or exterior mounting on any 12V vehicle. Its white finish adds an extra layer of protection and seamlessly matches your vessel. A robust support pedestal bracket and rubber gaskets provide extra stability. This design prevents unwanted vibrations and potential damage, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging conditions. Installation is incredibly simple. Being fully electrical, it requires no compressor or additional parts. Just connect its 2 wires to your vehicle's power source, and you're ready to go. Designed for daily use, it promises many years of reliable service. This horn comes with a 1-year warranty, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. What we like. This horn features dual trumpets tuned for a rich, deep, and attention-grabbing sound. Constructed from marine-grade 304 stainless steel, it offers superior corrosion protection, ideal for harsh environments. If you own a boat, RV, or truck and need a powerful, easy-to-install horn that withstands marine conditions, its robust build and full sound are perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.